Hey, this is Lauren from Wildflowers here to introduce to you some exciting new products that we have to offer. These are the Chameleon Chrome pigments. Also, we have our new tack-free metallic top coat. The Chameleon pigments come in 5 colors, each are in a 3-gram jar. Included in the set is electrum, blueberry, peacock, watermelon, and amber. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how I apply the Chameleon pigments. I'm going to start off by applying a black gel polish to my model's nail enhancements. After applying the black gel polish, I'm going to cure all of the fingers. Next, I'm going to apply Wildflowers metallic top coat to the fingers. As I apply, I make sure that the coat is going on nice and smooth and then it's covering the nail entirely, meaning I don't have any places where I pushed really hard on the brush and the gel polish has separated. So I really use that light line, that little white line you see on the nails, to judge whether or not I have good coverage. For my first nail, I'm going to be applying Peacock. After curing the nail for only 30 seconds in an LED light, I'm going to take a little bit of my product using the back of my tool and put it inside of a little palette. It only takes a tiny bit of product to do the nail. And as you can see, this is way more than enough to do this pinky nail. Like I probably get 3 or 4 nails out of that little tiny bit that I picked up. All you do is just smooth it on the nail. It's really easy to work with. It goes on very smooth and you want to remove any excess. I'm going to repeat the process on the next finger. I'm applying my tack-free metallic top coat, making sure to use the light line to judge whether or not it's been applied well. You don't want any lumps or bumps because they love to show up underneath the chrome. After I'm finished, I'm going to cure this for 30 seconds only in an LED light or for 1 minute only using a UV light. This time I'm going to use the color watermelon. Again, I'm going to take my product and use the back of my tool to scoop out a tiny little pinch. That's really all you need, probably even less. Now what I'm going to do is apply it to my little applicator, and I'm just going to rub it down the nail, being careful not to make a big mess. You can actually be really neat when using this product, and you don't want to waste it. I make sure I get all the edges of the nail, and I use the other end of the applicator to smooth the product down. Again, I'm going to repeat the process on the next nail, applying my tack-free metallic top coat and then curing for only 30 seconds in an LED light or 1 minute in a UV light. This time I'm going to use the color called amber. Again, I'm only taking a tiny little pinch out of my jar because that's all you really need to apply this to one nail. And it's probably even more than enough. I'm going to use my applicator and I'm just going to slide this onto the nail and rub it in gently. You don't need to use a lot of pressure when applying this product. It's very easy to use. Again, I'm going to flip over and just use the back of my applicator to make sure that there's no excess. I'm going to repeat the same process on the next nail. Now when you're doing this to a hand with all 5 fingers, you can do them all at once. This time I'll be using the color blueberry. I've cured my tack-free metallic top coat, and again just taking a teeny little pinch of product. I'm going to apply this to my applicator and then just gently smooth it onto the nail. I'm going to flip over and use the back of the applicator to remove any excess product. And for the last nail, which is our thumb, I'm going to apply the color electrum. Again, I'm making sure as I apply my tack-free metallic top coat that it's nice and smooth. I've cured it, and now I'm going to take a little tiny pinch of the product and put it on my palette. Next, I'm going to use my applicator to apply the product to the nail. This color is really beautiful for the fall because it has an olivey gold tone to it. It's very unique. I love the chrome finish. Hey! These are all very high quality pigments, so the chrome finish is just outstanding on them. Okay, now this part is super, super important. This is what is going to prevent any type of chipping or wearing on the tips of the nail. A little bit of wearing is normal, especially for those customers who usually come back and the tips of their acrylic or gel nails are just worn down because they are maybe waitresses or people who, hairdressers, people who have their hands in water constantly, and they're just really hard workers and they use their hands for everything. So it's really, really, really important, number one, that you take this same tack-free metallic top coat and first cap that end. By doing that first and then smoothing down the nail, what that's going to do is it's going to prevent it from getting a lump on the end, but it's also going to protect it. So you always start at the edge and then bring the product down the nail. When I'm finished with all of the fingers, I'm going to go ahead and cure, but this is not enough by itself to prevent chipping and wearing. This actually just protects your chrome finish. Top coat. One more really cool tip is you can actually take our new unicorn powder and mix it with the chameleon powder to get a beautiful halo of a rainbow going through the chameleon powder, as you can see. Check out our longer online courses like this one from the No Show Nail Academy. You can find the information for that in the link down below. If you want to shop on our website is www.wildflowersnails.com. There you will find products, classes, everything you saw in this video. If you want to come to one of our hands-on workshops, just visit our website, click on classes or workshops. You can click enroll to see what we have coming up. Our next big class is in February. It's called Master Artist Week. There you will take 8 nail art classes. It is a week of nail art glory. You'll create 48 nails yourself. I will be there to help you hands-on for that class. So again, it's in February. It's a week-long class. I hope you'll be able to make it out to that. We'll also soon be posting our schedule of some of the other shows that we'll be attending throughout the year where you can catch us. So I look forward to meeting you. I look forward to teaching you more. And consider coming to our Master Artist Week. It's an amazing way to invest in your nail career. Again, you can shop online anytime at wildflowersnails.com. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for tutorials every Thursday, and we're going to have some online classes coming up soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.